In this Fast Fridays card video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful rose design card. Here are the supplies that you need. You don't need very much at all, and I'll link everything that I specifically used down below. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. What makes this design unique is that it's actually one continuous line that makes up this rose. Once you have the design in pencil, take a thin black pen and trace over the line that you've just drawn. I'm using the Faber-Castell pen in size S, which is one of my favorites. If you want a really simple card, you can leave it without any color, or you can take a few colored pencils and add some color to the leaves and rose like I did. I used 2 different colors of green for the leaves just to give them a bit of dimension, kind of putting a darker green on one side and a lighter green on the other side of the leaves. And then I just used 1 color of pink to fill in a few different sections of the rose. And once you have everything colored in, this Fast Friday card is complete. I hope you try making this card yourself. Thanks for watching.